You wake up, the alarm goes off, and before your feet even touch the floor, you already feel tired. Not sleepy, not groggy, just tired. Like something heavy is sitting on your chest, like the day has already started without you. You think, maybe I just need more sleep. So, you sleep more. But the next morning, it's the same. That feeling doesn't go away. And here's the strange part. You're not alone. Millions of people around the world feel exactly this way, every single day. They have jobs, they have families, they have lives they care about, but they're running on empty. So today, we're going to ask a simple question. Why are we always tired? And more importantly, what can we actually do about it? 7 habits. Simple ones. Not magic, not complicated, just small, honest changes that can bring your energy back. Stay with me, because one of these habits might change how you feel tomorrow morning. Let's start with the problem. Tiredness is not just about sleep. Most people think, if I sleep 8 hours, I'll feel fine. But sleep is only one piece of the puzzle. Think about it this way. Imagine your phone. You charge it overnight, 8 full hours plugged in, but the battery still drains fast. Why? Because too many apps are running in the background. The screen is too bright. The signal keeps searching. Your body works the same way. Even when you're resting, your mind keeps running. Worries, decisions, unfinished thoughts. They stay open in the background, quietly using your energy. This is called mental load, and most of us carry far too much of it. We scroll through our phones before bed. We think about tomorrow while eating lunch. We answer messages during dinner. We never fully close the apps. So the energy never fully comes back. Tiredness, then, is not laziness. It's not weakness. It's your body sending a signal. Something needs to change. And the good news? The changes don't have to be big. There's another reason we feel tired that most people never think about. We are bored. Not bored in the way a child is bored on a rainy day. Bored in a deeper way, doing the same things, the same way, every single day. Waking up, commuting, working, eating, sleeping. Repeat. When life has no surprise, no meaning, no spark, the body starts to shut down. Not because it's broken, but because it sees no reason to be fully awake. Scientists call this motivational fatigue. You can be physically healthy and still feel completely drained if nothing in your day excites you. This is important to understand, because if you only fix your sleep but change nothing else, you'll still feel tired. Energy is not just physical. It's emotional, it's mental, it's spiritual. Real energy comes from living in a way that feels true to who you are. So before we talk about habits, remember this. You are not broken. You are not lazy. You are a person who needs real rest, real purpose, and real care. Now, let's talk about the 7 habits. Habit 1. Start the morning slowly. Most people begin the day in a rush. Alarm, phone, news, coffee, go. 5 minutes after waking up, they've already read 10 stressful things. The brain is not ready for that. When you wake up, your body is still soft, still quiet, still moving between sleep and waking. Scientists call this the hypnopompic state. In this window, your brain is open, calm, curious, ready to receive. If you fill it with noise and urgency, you set the tone for the whole day. Your nervous system goes into alert mode, and it never fully comes down. But if you protect that morning window, even for just 10 minutes, everything changes. No phone for the first 10 minutes. Sit up slowly, breathe, look out the window, drink a glass of water. Let your body wake up at its own pace. This one small change can reduce morning fatigue significantly. It doesn't cost anything. It doesn't require equipment. It only requires a decision. Tomorrow morning, try it. Don't reach for your phone first. Reach for stillness. Habit 2, move your body, even a little. Here's something that sounds wrong at first. When you're tired, moving actually gives you energy. You would think, if I'm tired, I should rest. And sometimes, yes, rest is needed. But often, the body is tired because it hasn't moved enough. Sitting all day, sitting at a desk, sitting in a car, sitting on a couch, the body is designed to move. When it doesn't, circulation slows, oxygen levels drop, the mind gets foggy, and you feel more tired. Just 10 minutes of walking can increase energy levels for up to 2 hours. That's not motivation talk. That's biology. Movement tells the brain, we are alive. We are active. We are here. And the brain responds by releasing chemicals that improve mood, focus, and energy. You don't need a gym. You don't need a plan. A short walk after lunch, stretching in the morning, standing up every hour at your desk. Small movements, done consistently, build real energy over time. The body wants to move. Give it the chance. Habit 3, eat to fuel, not to fill. Let's talk about food for a moment. Not diets, not rules, not guilt. Just the simple truth about how food affects how we feel. Many of us eat when we're stressed, when we're bored, when we're sad. We eat fast, we eat late. We eat things that feel good for 5 minutes and then leave us feeling heavy for hours. Sugar is a perfect example. A chocolate bar gives you a quick burst of energy. Your body feels awake, sharp, happy. But 30 minutes later, the energy crashes. You feel more tired than before. This is called the sugar crash, and most people experience it every day without realizing it. The body needs steady fuel, not spikes and crashes. Simple changes help enormously. Eat breakfast with some protein, an egg, some nuts, a little yogurt. Drink water before you drink coffee. Don't skip meals. Eat slowly enough to notice when you are full. Food is information for the body. It tells the body how to feel, how to perform, how to recover. Feed yourself well, not perfectly, just well. Habit 4, protect your sleep, not just the hours. We talked earlier about the 8-hour myth. 8 hours in bed doesn't always mean 8 hours of real rest. Sleep quality matters more than quantity, and many things quietly destroy sleep quality without us knowing. Screens before bed. The blue light from phones and televisions tells the brain it's still daytime. The brain holds back melatonin, the chemical that makes you sleepy. So even if you lie down at 10, your brain isn't really ready to sleep until midnight. You lose 2 hours of deep sleep, and the next morning, you wake up tired. There's also the problem of inconsistency. Going to bed at 10 on Monday, 2 in the morning on Friday, and noon on Saturday. This confuses your internal clock. Your body doesn't know when to prepare for sleep. It doesn't know when to wake up. So, it's always slightly off. Pick a sleep window and keep it, even on weekends, even when it's hard. Dim the lights an hour before bed. Put the phone in another room if you can. Let the body know it's time to rest now. Sleep is not lazy. Sleep is the foundation. Habit 5. Reduce small decisions. This one surprises people, but it might be one of the most powerful habits on this list. Every decision you make uses energy. What to wear, what to eat, what to say, what to watch, what to reply. These small decisions seem harmless, but they add up. Researchers call this decision fatigue. By the afternoon, the brain has made hundreds of choices, and it's exhausted. That's why you feel sharp in the morning and foggy by evening. That's why you make worse choices later in the day. More impulsive, less patient, less clear. The solution is to simplify. Prepare your clothes the night before. Plan your meals in advance. Set routines so you don't have to think about small things. When the small decisions are already made, your brain saves its energy for what actually matters. This is what many calm, productive people do. Not because they're boring, but because they understand that attention is limited. And they choose where to spend it wisely. Less decision, more energy. It really is that simple. Habit 6. Rest that is actually restful. Here is a mini story. There was a woman named Lynn. She worked long hours at a marketing company. Every evening, she came home exhausted. She would sit on the couch, open her phone, and scroll. Instagram, videos, news. Repeat. 2 hours would pass. She'd feel guilty for wasting time, and she'd go to bed still feeling wired and empty. She thought she was resting, but she wasn't. Scrolling is not rest. Watching content for hours is not rest. Passive consumption, in large amounts, actually tires the brain, because the brain is still processing images, still reacting to emotions, still comparing, judging, responding. It never gets quiet. One evening, Lynn turned off her phone. She made tea. She sat near the window. She did nothing for 20 minutes, just breathed, just sat. The next morning, she woke up and felt something unusual. She felt okay, not perfect, not transformed, but genuinely okay. Real rest means giving the brain a chance to be quiet. A short walk without earphones, sitting with a cup of tea, light reading, gentle music, silence. Let the mind be still. Even for a few minutes a day, that stillness is not nothing. That stillness is everything. Habit 7. Connect with something meaningful. We saved this one for last because it often gets forgotten, but it might be the most important of all. Energy doesn't only come from the body, it comes from purpose. When you feel connected to your work, to the people you love, to something you believe in, you have more energy, even on hard days. And when you feel disconnected, when nothing feels meaningful, when days blur together, when you go through the motions, tiredness becomes weight, heavy, constant, inescapable. So ask yourself gently, is there something in your life that you care about deeply? It doesn't have to be big, a hobby, a friendship, a dream, a belief. Spend a little time with it every week. Call the person who makes you feel seen. Read about the thing you love. Work on the small project you keep putting off. These moments recharge something that sleep and food and exercise cannot. They remind you why you are here. And that reminder quiet and real as it is, gives you more energy than you might expect. Let's take a moment to remember what we've covered today. 7 habits. Simple, honest, real. First, start your morning slowly. Protect the quiet window before the world rushes in. Second, move your body. Even 10 minutes of walking can give you energy for hours. Third, eat to fuel, not just to fill. Steady food, steady energy. Fourth, protect your sleep quality. Less screen time before bed, more consistent sleep hours. Fifth, reduce small decisions. Simplify routines. Save your attention for what matters. Sixth, rest that is truly restful. Give your mind real quiet, not scrolling, not consuming, just stillness. Seventh, connect with something meaningful. Purpose gives energy that no supplement can replace. These are not complicated ideas. They are gentle reminders of things we already know, somewhere deep inside. The body wants to feel good. The mind wants to be clear. The heart wants to feel alive. You don't need to change everything at once. Pick one habit, just one. Start tomorrow morning. See how it feels. Small steps taken with patience build something lasting. You woke up tired. You've been tired for a while now. But tiredness is not a life sentence. It's a message. And now you have the tools to respond. You are not someone who is always tired. You are someone who has been doing too much with too little real rest. Someone who has been giving and forgetting to receive. Someone who has been running without stopping to breathe. That person, that tired, honest, trying person, deserves energy, deserves mornings that feel possible, deserves days that feel real, deserves evenings that feel quiet and full. You already have everything you need to begin. One morning, one habit, one small choice. The alarm will go off again tomorrow, and this time, you'll be ready.